Well, in these trying times, we were looking for a solution for the problems that we were facing as a company. Digitalization was one, forming partnerships and synergistic alliances was another. ASDA was a great platform to put Arus Oil out in the market. Not to forget, being financed 50,000 ringgit is a neat deal.
The benefits of joining in ASDA program, right? I think we look into it in 3 to 4 aspects. Starting from the first one, obviously, is getting funded itself help us to accelerate some of our thing. So, for instance, we can allocate some budget towards the tech, towards to marketing and so on. And the second one itself is, I believe that for ASDA program, all the mentors are actually quite a very experienced veteran in the industry. So where by getting advices from all of those mentors actually help us to accelerate and gaining access to corporate in order to push Arus Oil, push the virtue of recycling used cooking oil to the next level.
Okay, for those who are contemplating whether to join ASDA Challenge, I would say go for it. The whole program is a very unique and niche program that will help and elevate your startup or your business or your company. Just go for it. Even though if you don't win or even though you don't get finalized, the whole experience will actually kind of boost your business as well as your confidence, like how it did for us. Thank you.